Welcome to Rocket Launch Base on the Earth. Let's experience the life of the astronaut together and travel the solar system to explore the mysterious universe. Change into the outfit of the astronaut first. Tight clothes can protect the astronaut's muscles and bones. Spacesuit. Fasten the buckles properly for safety. Gloves. Helmet. Shoes. Outfit change is complete. Let's go to the launching pad and head for the universe. Are you ready? Let's head for the space. Press the button and launch the rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Press the button to accelerate the rocket. Awesome! Let's head for the universe! In the space station, the astronauts are able to take off the heavy spacesuits. Someone's trying to reach us. Let's answer it. I am Dr. Mew Mew. I am studying the composition of the solar system. We hope you can head for the solar system and make an interplanetary map. Okay, we will be sure to accomplish the mission. Follow the icons to find planets in the solar system and mark them on the interplanetary map. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system, just a little bit bigger than the Moon. Mercury's surface temperature ranges from minus 173 degrees Celsius at Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the Earth's sister planet with the mass similar to that of the Earth. Venus is the second brightest star in the night sky after the Moon. It's also the planet with the most volcanoes in the solar system. More than Sun. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. It's a red-orange fireball with the mass 330,000 times that of the Earth. It's Sun. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. It's a red-orange fireball with the mass 300 in light and heat. Sun. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the planet we live on, and it appears blue from outer space. The Earth revolves around the Sun, and the angles and distances of sunlight vary, causing the seasons of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Moon. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. It orbits the Earth and rotates on its own axis at the same time. Its surface is full of impact craters formed by the impact of smaller body. As the moon is much smaller than the Earth, its gravity is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and its mass is just 10% of that of the Earth. The red... Great! The interplanetary map is ready! Astronaut Kiki has accomplished the mission. I've received the interplanetary map, and I can carry on my research. Thank you. It's my duty. Look! One grid of energy is used each time we complete a mission. It's workout time! Let's check out how astronauts exercise. Secure with a belt first so you won't fly away. Do you know that astronauts need to exercise in space so they won't suffer muscle atrophy? Tap. Great! We have finished the space exercise. We have run out of energy. Let's return to the Earth for mission report. Astronaut Kiki, congratulations on your successful space mission. Here is a reward for you. Congratulations on winning the Planet Traveler badge.